All right, here we have number 6. We're asking to find our missing sides, and these looks like they make 30, 60, 90 triangles. Okay, so let's just fill in the value here. This is 30, so this makes this 60, so this has to be 30 degrees. Okay, now we could label it. All right, this is opposite to the shortest side, so short leg. This is opposite to the long leg side, and this becomes the hypotenuse. We should always write down our two equations. Hypotenuse is equal to short leg times 2. And then the long leg is equal to short leg times radical 3. All right, let's plug it in. Hypotenuse is 2. Do we know the short leg? Yep, we know that is as 8 times 2. So U is equal to 16. The long leg was the letter V. Do we know the short leg? Yep, the short leg was 8 times radical 3, so V can just be 8 radical 3. All right, there you go. B, the first degree is 60, so this is 630 here. So this is opposite to the 30, so this is the short leg. This is opposite to the 60. This is the long leg, making this the hypotenuse. Our two equations here is hypotenuse is equal to short leg times 2. And then the long leg is equal to the short leg times radical 3. Hypotenuse is the value of 8 radical 5. Short leg is the letter y times 2. Well, we can divide 2 to both sides. This cancels, leaving you with 8 divided by 2. That becomes 4. Radical 5 is equal to y. That's also the short leg, okay? Long leg, we know that is the value of x. The short leg, we know that was y here. This was the short leg right here. So that is 4 radical 5 times radical 3. 4 remains the same. Radical 5 times radical 3 is radical 15. Bring down that x. So we can say x is equal to 4 radical 15. You can't technically break it down any further. Okay? And then C, if we know that that is 60, the other side is 30. Opposite to the 30, which is going to be the short leg. Opposite to the 60, which is the long leg. Opposite to the 90, which is the hypotenuse. Our two equations here is hypotenuse is equal to short leg times 2. And then the long leg is equal to the short leg times radical 3. Right, the hypotenuse was x, the short leg was the letter y times 2. Long leg is 5 radical 3. Short leg was the letter y times radical 3. All right, this is attached via multiplication, so let's divide by radical 3 to both sides. The radical 3 divided by radical 3 cancels on the right, also cancels on the left too, leaving you with just a 5 is equal to y. Look, we notice what y is, so now we can just plug it back in here. This becomes the number 5. So x is equal to 5 times 2, so x is equal to 10. So there you go. You want to make sure you write both equations and then find the smallest side first and then solve for your missing sides of the 30, 60, 90 triangle.